Summer League debut ni number 2 overall pick Darren Peterson. And alam natin, motivated to kasi he wanted to be the number 1 pick. Meron siyang extra gas. And sa kanyang first points dito sa Summer League is meron talaga siyang ability to create by himself. He needs some space pero nag-offer naman ng screen yung teammates and he goes all the way for the 2 points. Dito naman is makikita natin kung ano yung pwede niyang magawa sa open court. Pagka-receive ng bola, hindi siya sobrang aggressive kasi nakita niya naman na maliit yung nasa harap. If he goes hard, baka masahod lang siya or what. Kaya just a simple use of his strength and one pa to yung nangyari. So kahit may tendency siya na mag-solo, mag-create ng pang sarili, so nag-i-emergency pass din naman siya. He can also dish to his teammates. Here, nakita niya yung corner na libre. Mintis lang to pero ando naman siya para sa putback 2 points. Again, here, pag transition, basta may space na pwedeng daanan, he can operate. Tsaka, ang impressive sa kanyang debut is he can finish through contact. Kung saan, yung NBA ngayon, yung laro, konting contact, pwede na eh. If mabibenta mo sa refs, just like SGA, malaking advantage. Tas, end 1 na naman para sa kanya. Here, he will isolate. I don't know if it's the right one kasi parang mawawala yung flow ng offense ng team sa ganito. Hahayaan lang siya, papanoorin ng 4 na teammates and nasushoot niya naman to. Pero ayun, binibuild naman kasi siya to be like that. It's the NBA kaya hesitant ka to criticize that kind of style. Kasi ito, next possession, once he get the ball, alam natin na he will shoot, he will score. Pero grabe yung touch niya talaga eh, scorer. So mostly is yung kanyang transition game is elite. Dito, in-outspeed niya lang yung bantay for the slam dunk. Next, off the flare is he will drive to the basket. Tingin ko mas better yung mga ganitong action para sa kanya kasi yung ability niya nga to convert shots kahit may contact. Nakailang end 1 na siya in this game. Pero ito, no foul. Pero yun nga, mataas yung rate so far on his contact attempts. Dito naman, nangihingi yung import ng converge ng alley-oop pero he will go all the way. Yun nga yung mentality niya ngayon. He wants to show everyone yung kanyang scoring ability. Here, gusto ni Kyler Kelly na ipasa na sa kanyang teammates kasi nakaset na siya ng pick eh. Pero Peterson had other idea, will shoot from the outside, pasok galing sa 3-point distance. Here, PNR action with Kelly pero kahit with defender right on him, one thing is the goal to make the shot. Tough one pero 3-point shot pasok para kay Peterson. 28 points para sa kanya. He took 21 attempts sa larong to in just 27 minutes. So, ang taas nga ng kanyang usage pero yun kasi yung ina-expect ng Utah Jazz sa kanya eh. My own perspective na lang siguro talaga na paano kaya to mako-convert into winning basketball. Kasi lahat nga tayo nagrereklamo kung merong pakaw sa team natin eh. Depende kung palaging shoot. Tapos ang masama pa is meron siyang 8 turnovers. Kumbaga, he navigates the defenses with a lot of errors. Pero yun nga, debut lang naman eh. We cannot judge fully on a one game. Kumbaga, ano lang to, glimpse of what he can do or potential tendency. So, tingnan natin yung number 1 pick naman sa kanyang debut. Pero tagal pa. July 10. And ang matindi pala, sila yung magkalaban. Kaya abangan natin. And that's all for this one. See you in the next upload. I will now step back. Bye-bye.